Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Hi guys, it's me, Manida, and it is Cotton Candy! Yay! Today I'm going to be opening blind bag. I got them from Target. This one is new. This is the first time I saw it, so it's new, I guess. So soft. So let's open it. Let me try first. Oh my god, I find it. Oh! So soft. Yes, it's Push Theory. It's season 2. This one's so adorable. Oh my god. So cute. And this is all I got today, guys. I'm so happy about this one. So cute. I'm so happy about this one. Anyway, this is all, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a like and also subscribe to my channel, please. And if you want to go check the another blind bag video, I'm gonna leave it over here. And yeah, thank you for watching, and also bye bye.